morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Welcome to this week of 7 days of just so. It's really 6 days just so, and the 7th day we do a Q&A, and I tell you everything I sold all week. So with that being said, if you know me, you know I love sports. I love all types of sports: football, basketball, baseball, NASCAR, you name it. You name it. Today we are using the New York Yankees fabric, because I have the fabric for New York Yankees and the Mets. But we're going to use this fabric here because it's just sitting around doing nothing. So with that being said, as you see in the description box, I am making a book sleeve. First time making a basic book sleeve. I think it came out cute. And it's to hold all three of my books here. The book sleeve that I made holds these books here. And possibly a pen. Can a pen fit in here? Yes. So I made this book sleeve. I think it's really cute. I didn't put a snap to it or anything. I just want a book sleeve, and it came out really cute. So if you're interested in how I made this, stay tuned for the rest of the video. At the end of the video, like I do a lot of other of my videos lately, I'm giving a 10% discount on my tote bags that I have. Check out the first video that explains the giveaway, but now the giveaway is over with. We are now in the 10% discount on tote bags. all I have for today. Tomorrow video will be pin holder bookmark. That's tomorrow's video. And then day 6, we're going to do a book lovers tote carrier. Now I'm not sure if I want to use my New York Giants with a white behind it. I won't know until I figure it out tomorrow, because I want to get rid of a lot of these here fabrics. And like I said, New York Yankees is playing and they're doing very well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified each and every time that I upload. And follow me on all my social media platforms. Tara Love Diva Styles on all those platforms.